Welcome to episode 76 of the Daily Shed, and today I'm talking about harmonizing in sixths. And I've talked a bit about this before, but I wanted to give another example in E major and talk just a bit more about how with chord scales you can figure out how to play in sixths. So I'll start out with playing an E major scale in sixth. I'm doing it over an E bass note, which makes it a little easier to hear it. So starting with 1 and going up. That's all it is. I'm playing an E major scale, but I'm harmonizing it a sixth below. So and again over the bass note. It's really a beautiful sound and something that's very useful when it comes to playing a melody either on your own fingerstyle or playing a lead electric or something like that. It's a really handy thing to have on your fingers. So what is a sixth and what is this chord scale thing? So a chord scale is basically the way that you go through a major scale and figuring out for each note what is the chord associated with it, whether it's major or minor. So the way that in the major scale, the very first chord is major, then there's two minors, then there's minor, and another minor, and another major, and another major, another minor, and a major. So it's major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, minor. That's the way it is. So again, major, in the key of E, there's E major, F sharp minor, G sharp minor, A major, B major, C sharp minor, D sharp minor, and E major. So how does this relate to the sixth? Well, pretty easily you can figure out that a sixth interval, a major sixth, is like this. Thinking about, at the bottom of the fret, your open string, think about fretting that. We're going up to the A major. We've got your, on the fifth fret here, that's your A note, and this is a major sixth below. If you look at an A major chord, what is a major? See where the major third is? That's what makes it a major chord. It's that third, right there. If you jump that down an octave, and you get the sixth. It's reversed. So the third is the same as a sixth if you drop it down an octave. So that's a major. It's the same as in, again, we're in the key of E major, so the very first chord is a major. Second chord is a minor. So we see that the sixth here, we're on F sharp. You go up a minor third, drop it down an octave. You've got that minor shape. It's like that. They're actually on the same fret, the second fret. Then the G sharp minor chord, the sixth there. It's like that shape. We're back to the major shape. See where you're on the G string, it's a fret up, and then another major on B, another minor, and major. So again, going through the E major scale, harmonizing in sixth. It's a great exercise just to get used to those shapes of sixths. So after a while, when you're in a particular key and you hit a note, you'll know how to harmonize. Like say you have a melody like this. You'll know you can harmonize it like, because your fingers will know that's the sixth interval to play in that key and harmonizing it. So learning those shapes is the first thing, and going through the scale and getting the sound of that in your head is a great thing too. And I like it in E, again, because you've got that bass note there. Again, going down. Oops. Like that. It's a wonderful sound and a way to just beef up your melodies immediately by harmonizing. So I hope this is useful to you. Please let me know any questions or comments you may have, and thanks for watching as always.